What is up, nation? It is Thursday. We have ourselves a fun one. Our Metcon. It's going to be a 20-minute time cap. You're going to have a 1,200-meter run, or you're running for a 7 minute. Should have it mapped out, or hopefully you have some estimate of it mapped out for a 1,200-meter run. But then from there, you go into 50 burpees to a target, 30 elevated shoulder taps, and then from there, 20 single arm hang clean thrusters. Right? If you have the weight, ideally, we want to be going that 50 or 35. It's just going to be total of 20. So those 50 burpees to a target, right? Just something that's going to make you open up the hips, fully extend into that jumping phase, right? So breeze goes down, breeze goes down, comes up. Yeah, right. That might be like a little bit too short. It might go to something a little bit taller, right? So just something that's going to open up your whole entire body rather than staying here and then trying to jump. Right there. And then from there, those elevated shoulder taps. So what's going to be elevated is your feet. Just have them go up against something. You could go up against a bench, chair, or you can do it onto a wall, right? And then from there, the shoulder taps. 30 elevated, 30 total. And then from here, single arm hang clean thruster, right? So deadlift that sucker up, bring it to the hang, boom down, thrust it up. Right, comes back to the hang, squat down, thrust up, that would be 2, so forth. From there, I would say you can totally switch it up, go 10 on one side as long as you get to 20 total. But other than that, some body weight strength. You're going to have a 10-minute Emom. It's basically going to be a max single arm dumbbell floor press for 20 seconds. So yeah, from here, pressing it down. Max reps, get as fast as you can. And then from there, you'll go into 40 seconds of max push-ups. Right, from here, instead of going to our knees, you could go right into those hand release push-ups. So I'll go down, release the hands, boom. Notice Coach Briggs staying nice and tight in that lower body part, squeezing his glutes, squeezing his calves, everything in that lower half. And then minute 2, we're just resting, right? From here, our warm-up, it's going to be 5 rounds, right? So what a round would consist of is 30 seconds of plate hops, and then into a 30 seconds fast run, and then from there, just a 30 seconds light jog, basically a recovery jog, so that way you get back to your plates going again in the second round, right to the plate hop. So those plate hops, my feet will be outside, I'm just jumping on into the middle, just like so, right? We want to maintain staying on the balls of our feet as we jump, and then you go into your fast run. Right, really super fast. It's not a full-on sprint, but it's nice and aggressive pace, kind of how you're going to start out with that run. And then each round for this warm-up, you want to be starting out the same way, right? I don't want to be getting slower. If anything, just increasing that pace in the 5 rounds. And then from here, nice little dynamic warm-up. 3 rounds, 10 Frankensteins, so the arms are staying out, nice and locked out. And then from there, you're just kicking your feet to your hands. Which raise how about? Yeah, 10 total, that'll be 2, 3, and then from there you go to 8 scat push-ups, coming down, just like that. Really try to focus on not bending those elbows, and then from there you go into 10 Spider-Mans. There you go, drop that chest nice and low. After that you're going to 8 push-up with the rotation, so I'll push up, push, rotate, back down, so that'll be 1 rep, push up, rotate, that'll be 2. And then into 10 Cossack squats for that. 3 rounds of that, and then a little post squat. You got 3 rounds, so a round consists of 10 world's greatest stretch, 30 seconds of a pigeon pose, 10 bootstraps, 30-second pigeon pose on the other side, and then a nice 50-meter light jog or walk.